Okay, I got down here late to the Victoria Day fireworks at Ashbridges Bay. There's so much traffic, holy man. Got here right at 10, but they started already. I gotta get closer. Damn it. Oh man, look at all this traffic. Holy crap. Gotta get across there. Holy man. Stay tuned. Look at that, it started already. Gotta run down. Okay, I made it on time, but I wanted to get closer, but I guess this is a good spot. By the time I walk over there, I won't get any footage. There's a lot of people here, holy man. Let me just stand still. Sweet. Wow, you could feel the bass from that cannon, man. Woo. Me and Kato were close to the New Year's fireworks down by the lake. I could get about 100 feet closer. Whew, I had to run. No parking, nothing. Ram jammed, bro. It's like probably 1 million people down here tonight. It's a nice view though, right here. Yeah. Happy Victoria Day. Look at all that smoke. Oh. Damn. Nice. I zoom in. There we go. Beautiful. Happy Victoria Day, everybody. I like the last part of the show. It's amazing where they just shoot like everything they got. Best part of the show is at the end. Whew. It's dark out here, but you can see there's lots of people here, man. Look at the parking lots. Cops. Oh, look at that. All traffic and cop. I don't know why people bring their cars. Ooh, did you feel that one? I sure did. It's not the same if you put it on TV. Holy, look at that. Sweet. Nice. I do a quick short video of this. Don't worry, I'll get the last part of the show. Wow. That's amazing. Oh, I wish I was up close there. I can't walk over there, I'll miss the whole show. I'll put it in widescreen. Ba-bam. Nah, close up. Better. Super close up. Wow, it's amazing. Beautiful. Wonder how many YouTubers are down here. I'll see them all videos on YouTube later. There's tons of YouTubers here. Sick. Good old smell of gunpowder. Man, I tried to get here earlier, but way too much traffic, man. Got held up by 30 minutes. Damn it. If you're on the beach, man, it's a good view. Man, these mosquitoes are biting my arms, man. Wow, here we go. Wow. Woo! Love this part. Wow, beautiful. Woo! Man, that gunpowder is strong, man. Woo. Mosquitoes biting me. Leave me alone, mosquitoes. Man, that's amazing. I love it. Never gets old. But I think Dubai has the best fireworks show for sure. Man, their New Year's fireworks show is amazing. But this better than nothing though. Awesome. Woo! Man, the smoke looked like clouds. Oh, look at that! Wow! Woo! Wow, look at that! Those are not clouds, guys. That's smoke. Oh, it's all drifting to downtown Toronto. Look at that smoke. Ah, somebody with their little fireworks. I think it's done. Yep, it's done. Glad I didn't walk. I would have missed the whole show. Here's the awesome skate park down by here, the beach here. Awesome. Man, I used to skateboard too. Awesome. Wall ride. Sick. Look at all the skateboarders here. Skaters. Imagine Tony Hawk showed up in here, man. That'd be sick, bro. Where's the half pipes and quarter pipes? Done here. Awesome. Awesome. That was an awesome fireworks show too. Love it. Who else was a skateboarder? Let me know in the comments. I know all you guys used to be skateboarders back in the Tony Hawk days. Man, this is sick here. I've never been here. I always pass by here, but I've never actually stopped here. Oh, there's some more fireworks there. Some ones that people bring and shoot off. Awesome. Man, there's tons of skateboarders here though. Look at all the people all walking home. Very peaceful. I think a couple years ago they were shooting fireworks at the police, man. That's terrible. This is nice, cool little what do you call it? I don't know what the hell that is. I don't see any quarter pipes or half pipes. You know, the hardcore skateboarders love the half pipes and quarter pipes, man. But yeah, it's very peaceful. Everybody leaving peacefully. Awesome, awesome. Happy Victoria Day. A broken board here. I remember this. No, wait. The old school skateboards never used to break like this. They're not making them like they used to, man. Look at that. How the hell did the tail just break off like that? Some cheap wood, I guess. You guys remember the boards in the 80s? They never used to break, man. You could throw it off a building and they wouldn't break like this. What? Somebody lost out on a nice board. cheap wood. It's probably plywood. All right, I found the awesome pool. What do you call this? The pool. You got to be a pro to ride in here, man. You can do some. What do you call it? Palm plants. Man, I remember that. Remember all those awesome pictures in the magazines? What was that magazine? That skate magazine? I forgot. All the Tony Hawk and them would put their palm right here. And I forgot, man. Man, it's been so long. But this is so cool. You got to be a pro to ride in here. This is pretty cool. Awesome, awesome. None of these skaters are pro enough to ride in here. That's a nice view from up here. I always pass by here during the day, but I never ever stopped here to look at this stuff. It's a big skate park. You can do a rail slide down there if you're good, but I hate seeing people hit their heads, man. None of these kids are wearing helmets. Get a bad concussion. I've seen a lot of guys back in the 80s where they did rail slides off there and smashed their heads, man. Boy, just come here, ollie up, rail slide down. You gotta be good to do that. You don't want to hit your head for sure, man. It's a big concussion. Check out this view though. Awesome. This is a skater's dream park. Awesome, awesome. Nobody's riding the pool though. You gotta be a pro to ride in there for sure. Nice. Tony Hawk, where you at, brother? It'd be awesome to see Tony Hawk here. How old is he now? I don't even know. He probably doesn't even skate anymore. Powell, Guerrero, Tony Hawk. Who else was there? Man, it's been a long time. I don't remember. Kickflip. Nice. Oh, did you see that? Some nice skateboarders here. Ooh, nice. Some more cheap fireworks. There we go. Well, these guys are good, man. Woo. But I remember you had to have high cuts on, protect your ankles. I'm gonna get some traffic footage after. Look at that. But everyone is peaceful. Here we go. This guy's good right here. Bam! That guy's good. Nice. Ollie. Nice butt. Ooh, nice. The kid with the hat, where is he? Beige hat over there. That kid over there, he's good. Nice. Look at that air he just got. Ollie. Oh. That's a beginner, I think. Number 6 is a beginner. He's a poser, like we used to say back in the 80s. You're a poser. Nice, Ollie. Boom. This guy's pretty good. There's the kid with the beige hat over there. He's gonna come around. Nice kickflip. Sweet. It was so fun to be a skater back in the day. I remember Tony Hawk, Guerrero, Santa Cruz. You guys remember all that? I used to have all the magazines. What is it called? What was it called? Curb Dog? I forgot, man. It's nice out here. Alright, I'm gonna go get some traffic footage and get out of here. Alright, here's some traffic footage. It's crazy, man. Uh-oh, someone is hurt. Someone got hurt over there. But there's a lot of cops because these teenagers like to shoot fireworks at each other. I wasn't here the other year when it was crazy down here. They were actually shooting fireworks at the police officers. But it looks more peaceful now. There's tons of cops, undercovers, everything, man. I've seen them all. Look at that. I didn't even know that was a police vehicle. Look at that. Damn. Lots of buses. It's very peaceful. Lots of people traveling from far, like from all the GTA, up from Brampton, Saga, Scarborough. They all came down here for this awesome fireworks show. I just hope there's no violence tonight. But it seems like something happened down there because there's fire trucks and ambulance going that way. See that white van there? I didn't know those were cops. Look at that. I've never seen that before. I always see them on the road, but I didn't know those were cops. I guess they use those to throw in all the troublemakers. But let's just wait and see if there's troublemakers here shooting fireworks at each other. Wow, it's a lot of people.